In this video, I will build a gold dress watch using parts from Aliexpress. I am using the Seiko NH35 movement with a black date window. I start by removing the stock rotor using a flat head screw. This step is of course optional, but I wanted to replace it with a gold rotor. You can decide if it was a good decision when you see the final result. I am aligning the marker on the wheel gear with the balance bridge guide pin, as the service manual recommends that when installing the rotor. I also align the oscillating weights end with that same guide pin. Now I am checking if the wheel gear is moving as I move the oscillating weight. I chose this gorgeous textured green dial with gold indices. I believe this dark green goes very well with gold and it will match the case and strap. The dial has 4 feet and we'll have to remove 2 of them. To figure out which ones to remove, I need to hover the dial on top of the movement and check which feet align with the movement inserts. Filing the removed dial feet is important so that it sits flush on top of the movement. After I install the dial, I make sure that it's well in place and that there are no gaps. Now it's time to install the hands. I put the crown to the second position and rotate it up until the date switches. This indicates that the hands are in the midnight position. I start with the hour hand. I make sure it's aligned first before pressing it in place. After that, I install the minute hand, and for some reason, I pressed it in even though the misalignment can be seen from the International Space Station. Don't worry though, I removed the hands and put them back in before proceeding further. Last but not least, the ever annoying second hand. This one will test your patience, but the more you do it, the easier it gets. I am checking the watch for accuracy, and although the date switches 3 minutes after midnight, it's not a big deal for me personally. I am removing the temporary stem and crown. The case back has a rubber gasket that helps with water resistance, but it needs some grease to repel any liquids. Now it's time to size the stem. I first install it in the crown. Then I take the measurement to understand how much I need to cut. It's important to always leave a bit of leeway and have spare stems in case you cut too much. I apply some glue to the stem to permanently attach it to the crown. I gave the case a bit of cleaning and make it ready to house the rest of the components, hopefully forever. Last but not least, I install this gorgeous leather strap. And here it is in all its glory. I am really pleased with the final result, both technically and visually. I really like the green and gold color combination. The green ostrich strap is a great addition. With the matching gold collar buckle, I believe it takes this watch to the next level. I also like how the gold rotor looks like under the display case back. It was worth the extra cash in my opinion. The case finishing as well as the other components are great quality for the price. I will leave links in the video description to all the parts and tools in case you wish to build a similar watch. Here are some technical specs for you. I went for the 36mm watch case variant. I think the smaller the better for such a classy dress watch. And here is how the watch looks like on my 6¼ inch wrist. This one is a visual treat in my opinion, and it fits perfectly the theme I'm going for. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and consider subscribing to the channel. If you want to see more builds, here is one of my best and most expensive watch builds to date. I am sure you will enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching.